Hi there, my name is Oliver and I will demonstrate the functionalities that you can use on our dvlp.energy platform to check whether a new site is potentially suitable for a new solar, battery, wind or hydrogen project in Germany. And for that, I've chosen the municipality of Mühlenfließ in the state of Brandenburg. So the first thing to find it is I could enter the address if I have it. Alternatively, I could put in the geo coordinates, or if someone's communicated to me, I could also type in the parcel details, which starts with the district code, then something called Flur in German. Google translates this as hallway, and the parcel number. So with these information, our tool will directly guide you to the specific parcel in Germany. I can then use the detailed view to double check the detailed information about my Flurstück or my plot. So it's number 158, 0.6 hectares in terms of size. This looks interesting right next to the highway. So I will create a new project from this. And I will rename this project so that my colleagues that also have access to this platform know what I've been checking. So this is a prospect stage. I can also type in some detailed information about this Flurstück or parcel so that I keep a handle on it. And the neighboring parcels also look kind of interesting. So I mean the whole plot here is next to the highway. So I will add them to the project one by one. Alternatively, if I don't want to add an entire parcel, what I can do is I can draw a polygon and then add that polygon shape to my project. So let's just take half of this parcel here, go to the detailed view and add this new object, which is a bit more than 0.3 hectares. So parcel 0.3 hectares. So now that we've created this project, what I'll do is undo the parcel view and I will try to get an initial impression of the site via the satellite view. So I see it's quite nice, it's next to the highway. There's a bit of forest in between. Let's see if this is an issue. And in order to check my site, I will go to the minimal view. And now I could go through all the detailed data layers that we have compiled. For an overview about these, I'm happy to refer you to our other video we've done on the data layers. Just for the purpose of demonstration, if I enable all the natural protection zones, I can see that this is in principle a good site, but I do see there's a bit of an overlap with forest, which in principle would be an issue for a new solar park. Another functionality that might come in handy is if I go to the very bottom and I look at all the substations, what I can do is I can use the ruler functionality to see how far my project would be from a substation, which is 2.2 kilometers, which sounds okay-ish. But as I said, instead of checking all of these data layers individually, what I can do is in this project view, I can go from objects to reports and simply create a new report. What's happening now is that all these data layers are checked in the background, whether there's an overlap with our project or whether or how far they are from our project site. So the report is done, takes about 5 seconds, and here I have a nice digestible overview. I can see my project name, the total size, around about 3 hectares. I see all the parcels that are part of my project, so can take that directly to the cadastral office to ask for ownership information. I see my municipality is Mühlenfließ, however the administrative unit is Niemek, and the closest Naturschutzgebiet is around about 5 kilometers away. Advantage of this report is that critical issues are highlighted in red. For example, forest, I see forest is around about 21% of my site. So that's probably, I can build a project in there, at least on this 21%. And positive criteria are also highlighted. So for example, if I go to the bottom, I can see that 89% of my sites are within 200 meters of the highway, which means it's privileged. no need to go through the municipality for permission. And 100% is then a 500-meter buffer, which means the project would qualify for the EEG tender if I build a solar park there. To confirm, the substation is 2.2 kilometers away. However, I'm not sure if you can see it. The medium voltage is even just 80 meters away. So there seems to be a cable going through, not too far away, and maybe I can just plug onto that. So yeah, that report basically allows to check whether a site is suitable within seconds, and it's here, it's saved. You can also use the browser functionality to print it as a PDF, send it to your colleagues if you want. And that means we're basically done. We see that this is, we've checked it, it's partially suitable. And now I can go back to the project overview to kind of see what my other colleagues have been working on. And for example, go to another project that my colleague has worked on in the municipality of Nauen. Look at this, see if he's created a report already, and sort of discuss which project to prioritize. And yeah, with that, thank you for your attention.